There you go.
Elephant.
Wow, that's a big one. How many?
Elephant. 4. 3.
Do it again.
Elephant. 3.
Yeah, nice job. So go ahead and move your space. And glue this one down. Where's this one going? Right here?
Mm-hmm.
Is it going to fit?
Yeah.
Overlap a little. There we go. Okay, did we
and
move?
Once we get here.
Did we move or do we have to move one? We moved? That's it, where it goes? Next.
Next, here we go. Fox.
Ooh.
Fox. 2.
Is
1.
it? How many?
Fox. 1.
Good job.
That's what I kind of get wrong because sometimes it's fox. Giraffe. Because kind of they have 1.
So, you want to know a trick? If you put your hand, did your teacher do this with you?
I already did. I already know how to do that.
So, put your hand in.
Giraffe.
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 See? Now do it with fox. Put your hand under your chin.
Fox. Fox.
Does it move once or twice, your chin?
Once.
Fox. Just once, right?
Fox.
Good.
1. Just
You know what that animal is? It's a walrus.
2.
Try it.
Walrus. 2.
Nice job. Ooh. You know what that is?
Hippopotamus.
A hippopotamus.
Hippopotamus.
There's a lot in there. Slow down and try it again.
Hippopotamus. 4.
Let's do this one. Ready? Hippopotamus. Wow.
5.
I'm going to do it with you. Ready? Hippopotamus.
Wait.
Count how many times my chin goes down. Ready?
1.
Hippopotamus.
5.
Let's bang it out together. Ready? Hippopotamus. Ready? So do it one more time. Hippopotamus. Good job.
1, 2, 3.
So the Younger Family versus Carl Lindner and the Neighborhood Association, we said was
self versus society.
person versus
society.
person versus society. So the conflict then is
that race, that the people think that black and white should be separated. That's how the society looks at things. But they want to move. The Younger Family want to move to that neighborhood, and it's gonna cause some problems.
right. So the conflict is that they're not welcomed.
Mm-hmm.
And in a bigger picture, when we think about society, the bigger picture is what? Race, yeah. Racism and segregation, right? So those are really the big issue that is presented here. So in the actual text, the resolution was that Walter
was going to go. He told him to get out.
Yeah, he stepped up and he said, we're going anyway. It doesn't matter. We're still going on. So there's conflict and there's resolution, or this sort of resolution that we see in the play, but why? So this is the part where we draw those generalizations. We make a conclusion, right? We arrive at a conclusion, I should say, because the author puts this in there for a reason, not just because it's entertaining.
Yeah.
Right? There's a more sophisticated reason for why the author does it. It's always to deliver a message, right? So in this play, when he comes in Act 2, Scene 2, which is around these pages here.
See, I be making different in class because I read the whole thing, so I be thinking different from the other people because they don't know the decision and what Walter was thinking about doing and everything.
How does that influence what we're reading now? Like, how is that changing your thoughts based on what we're reading?
Because he was going, Walter was going to act like they was going to not move and still move and just take the money, but he ended up changing his mind. And right now, they haven't read the rest, so they probably just thinking that, no, they just going to move and they going to have some problems in the neighborhood.
They didn't see the rest of this unfold and him waver on that decision where he went back and forth with that, right? In order for us to really get to that purpose, we need to think about what came before too, though. So the conflict here is isolated in Act 2, Scene 2, right? But it's not really. There's more that happens before that deals with
That
this.
leads up to it.
Exactly. That leads to the segregation or the issue with segregation and racism.
George's family being rich black people, and Walter talking to George, and they get into it about that and stuff like that.
Yeah, the race
Walter
and the
wanted-
class, right? The money that George has that Walter wants. Good. What else happens in the book that's kind of this racial divide?
Gotta think. Racial.
Hmm.
I just.
Think about some of the things that we saw from Mama in terms of her dreams and goals, and Walter and how his are so different from hers. What was her life like that's so different from his now? When the author puts this part in, puts the whole, now this family's overcome so much, they're happy, they are going to move, they love each other. Why does she then put this in there? What does she want us to really realize when she says that there's a person or there's a set of people who don't want for this to happen? Why would she include that?
It's like a thing. Like, I mean, you're gonna have obstacles on the way, and it's up to you if you gonna just give up because you have obstacles, or if you're gonna overcome them. And it's like what's on the board, your goal. Like if it's your dream, you should chase.